Having a grand old time in the rain?
Playing outdoors when it's raining.
Yeah.
Get that Wawa.
That's a mushroom. What is that?
That's a rock. Look, Evie. This is one of those rocks they leave. What are they called? I can't remember. Geocaching or something. It's definitely raining on us now.
Mom, let's get under this.
That's for the dry dirt. Right here.
Yeah, it's pretty dry right there. So we came out here to walk and it started raining. It's kind of awesome though, because there's no lightning or anything.
Here.
We found a cicada. He fell out of this tree apparently.
Once every 17 years.
Is that what it is?
To die like a turkey.
That is a weird bug. When you think about it, like I don't understand the point. Evie's out there enjoying the world. She gonna fall.
Yes, she is.
Hi, what are you doing? The Wawa?
I'm assuming the poop position. Yeah, buddy, if you have to poop like that.
But this has been like a wonderful little experience. We came out here to walk this trail and then it just rained on us for like 5 minutes. And it's amazing. Usually that thing is full. That's why we came out here, because we love to go play in that little river. But no, it's starting to clear up now, so my frizzies are crazy. We're getting this baby some exercise. Look at that baby. That bump. Here goes Turkey, running ahead of us.
Run in the field, and she didn't like that very much.
She didn't want to run in the field?
I told her she can't because it's wet now. It'll be wet grass.
Oh no.
She'll be itchy.
Meanwhile, Dakota. Look at him. The way he's riding. Hi, baby.
Man, it's like super nice now.
Yeah, it feels really good out here.
Baby, mommy told you not to go off the trail.
There's another little place you can
I
go
don't
play in the
care,
water.
baby.
It's kind of
Mommy
awesome.
told you not to go up there.
Evie is not listening. Turkey time.
But I found real gold.
Well, you're going to find an early bedtime.
me see your
now
gold.
if you're not listening.
Right here.
Right here.
We need to find some peaches.
We do. We need to go pluck some peaches
I
from
bet
the...
Chick-fil-A's got some peaches.
And they got some in their ice cream. Add to this.
Oh no, what about mine?
I think I got you beat. No matter what, I got you beat. So this was fun. This was a nice little adventure. I love it. Little mini adventures. Hey, this is all we get right now, okay? We just get mini adventures. Because Corona.
The dryer's starting to shrink its clothes again.
It is. We had that problem once before.
Oh, no.
It's been a while though.
What does that mean, Daddy?
Nothing.
We were basically in quarantine when that happened last time too.
That's true.
Wawa!
Wawa.
Wawa!
All right, little adventures.
I love.
Okay, so we have found a herd of bunnies. Look how cute. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At least 5. And we were just talking about the other day how we haven't seen any bunnies this year. And now we've seen several. Oh, they're hopping away, look. Oh my gosh, how cute. Oh no, they're getting nervous. Okay, they're gonna run away. Say bye, bunnies.
There's 2 more.
There's more bunnies. They're so cute. And now it's sunny. Amazing.